Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to contact a seller on AliExpress using your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on your browser, navigate to the AliExpress website and make sure you are logged in with your AliExpress account. Once you're logged in, you can explore through the products and you can select any products you want. Once you tap on the products, it will open the product's description page. And on this page, here you can see the store icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now it will open the seller's store page. Here you can find the contact seller option at the bottom right. Tap on it to open a chat window where you can send your message directly to the seller. Now you can type your query and concern and chat with the sellers. And that's it. Now you know how to contact a seller on AliExpress using your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.